camper adventure. This was from a tree we cut down. We thought it looked like a pair of legs, so I painted up blue. Looked like that blue jeans with a frog on it. But let's get into it. We are probably 85 to 90% done with the camper now. We did a little bit more this week. Did some painting and a little bit more decorating. The camper, as I say, is about 85 to 90% done. Hung a camper birdhouse up there. And there's a little wren that's made his home in there. He's been flying around. He's been whistling at me for a while from in his zone. So let's go take a look at the camper. Let me flip you around, you can see it. We actually spent the night in it last night, me and Cheryl. And didn't do too bad. It wasn't as hot as we thought it was. We don't have air conditioning in here. Okay, I showed you in the last video, which some of you watched. Put in a new rug that Cheryl found on the internet. Of course, you've probably seen, most of you anyway. Dinette we've got put in. Some of the painting we've did. Put some trim up around with a little border at the top. Got more to do with the actual decorating. Ooh, my favorite program. What's that about? That's our camper. Last year. About this time last year, actually. See what it looked like back then. This extra stuff has to come out. Oh my. Back bedroom. Yeah, that was sitting there like that a whole year ago. We got her home and washed it. And we seen the video when I walked in where that TV's sitting. There wasn't nothing here, but father-in-law ripped all that out. I built this counter. And we put the TV on there last night. Let's get a view from back here. There's the dinette. New flooring we put down. It's a lot brighter in here. Actually, turn the light on and be even brighter. I don't know if that helped or not. All the lights work. We painted the ceiling, all the walls, cabinet doors. Up here we pulled all the curtains down. I think on these side windows, just on the sides, we're going to get the blinds put on there. We're going to get some gray blinds put on there. Refrigerator still doesn't work. Seen that in one of the videos. There's another one of the decorations. Painted the door to the bathroom this morning. Pretty gray. Let you look in there, I guess. Nothing fancy. We didn't do much in there. Still looks the same. There's me again. Oh, I threw that fish in there. A little fishy. Over here, we're going to add some more in, but put this backsplash, or whatever you call that, the tile back there. Just a peel and stick tile. You cut it to fit. They tie together with each other. Got a mattress in here now. Painted all along here. Painted that door this morning. Painted these upper doors. We're going to get these curtains pulled out of here. And on this side we're going to put, I believe, another blind on there. Back when we get curtains for that. And then the opposite end in the front we're going to do the same with curtains. There's that wall I showed you in the last video. I trimmed it out and we went and painted it. Ceiling's painted. Light here works also. Painted this cabinet door this morning. I've come a long ways with it. It was a long way from what it looked like a year ago. A lot of work, a lot of labor, a little bit of money in it, not a whole lot, but a lot of it was just labor. Some of the stuff I already had. Of course, the labor I already had. Me and Cheryl and maybe even Jesse helped a little bit. Ryan helped carry the bed in, so we did something. So, if you want to go back in my videos, you can go back on the my YouTube channel. After you watch this video, you can go back to my YouTube channel and see where we came from. I just showed you the one on the TV, but you can go back and see the progress, all we've actually did to it to get it this far. So what we've got left to do is finish the backsplash. I got some wiring to do for the hitch to get that wired up. We got new tires put on it. Curtains and blinds. A few more decorations. This is one I found in the house the other day. I don't know why I saved it. You guys can read that. I'm gonna hang it above the door. This is a classy establishment. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. I may put one more video on with the 100% probably complete. I don't know how long that's going to be, but you can see there's the new tires back behind the bench. Put this bench out here so I can sit down and eat my butterscotch pudding, which I don't have. Do have some in the house. But anyways, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. If you can, like the video on the YouTube channel and subscribe. You can see the other videos. I know I'm going to do something eventually with something else. It may not be camper related, or it may be camper related, I don't know, but just keep watching. Thanks again, everybody. Bye. Butterscotch. My favorite. See you inside.